Ants in the bathroom. Yeah, it's gross and frustrating, but trust me, you can get rid of them for good if you tackle the problem the right way. Most of the time, it's all about moisture, cleanliness, and sealing up those tiny cracks they love sneaking through. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. Here's the breakdown step by step so you can kick these pests out for good. Number 1. Fix any moisture issues first. Ants love damp spots, so check for leaks around your shower head, pipes, or tub. Even a tiny drip can attract them. Grab some caulk and seal up cracks around tiles, windows, or the base of the shower. You'd be surprised how much this one step can help. Number 2. Keep your shower and bathroom clean. Ants are scavengers, and even soap scum or hair in the drain can seem like a buffet to them. Clean weekly with natural stuff like baking soda and vinegar. It works great on drains and doesn't leave harsh chemicals behind. Number 3. Use natural repellents. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and hit those ant trails or entry points. If vinegar isn't your thing, peppermint oil is another great option. Soak some cotton balls and leave them where the ants show up. It smells good and keeps them away. Number 4. Eliminate food sources. Sounds obvious, but even shampoo residue or an open sugar scrub can attract ants. Clean spills immediately. And make sure your personal care items are sealed tight. You don't want to make it easy for them. Number 5. Try ant baits if the problem persists. These work by luring ants in with food, then poisoning their whole colony. Place them in areas where you've seen activity but out of reach of kids or pets. Number 6. Seal off entry points. Ants are sneaky and can fit through the smallest cracks. Take a close look around windows, doors, and walls in your bathroom. Use caulk or weather stripping to seal everything up. It's a small effort that makes a huge difference. Number 7. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth along ant trails or entry points. It's natural and safe for humans, but deadly for ants because it dehydrates them. Just make sure you're using the food-grade version. Number 8. Make a borax solution to target the colony directly. Mix borax with sugar and water, then place it near entry points in shallow dishes. The ants take it back to their nest and it wipes out the whole crew over time. Number 9. Keep windows and doors closed or install fine mesh screens if you want ventilation without letting pests in. This simple move can cut off one of their main access points. Number 10. If all else fails, call in a pro. Sometimes you're dealing with a hidden nest or a stubborn infestation that needs expert help. A pest control specialist can pinpoint the source and get rid of it for good. If you need help sealing cracks or fixing leaks but don't want to go DIY, check out bighomeprojects.com. We'll connect you with trusted contractors who can handle everything from small repairs to major projects. It's an easy way to take the stress out of dealing with home issues like this.